Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. It's the new year and like most people, I've decided to lose a few pounds. So I've gone on this keto diet, which is a high-fat, low-carb. So I decided to make this crusted Parmesan pork chops, and they are absolutely delicious. So simple to make, so let me walk you through it. So what I've got here are 4 pork chops, and you can have them as thick as you want, but I'm going to season them up with some salt and some ground black pepper. And of course you're going to do this on both sides. Next up, what I've got here are a couple of eggs, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk. And I'm going to beat these up. Actually guys, 1 egg is enough depending on how many chops you cook and how thick they are. In a separate bowl, what I've got is a 1/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan to this. Now if you don't have Italian, you can use panko or the breadcrumbs of your choice and the seasoning of your choice. I just like this. Okay, now I'm going to grab up my chops and I'm going to dip them in the egg mixture. Then into the breadcrumbs. Oh, and believe me guys, this smells so good, and this recipe is incredibly simple. Then onto a wire rack. Now, if you don't have a wire rack, you can use a baking pan with some parchment paper, whatever you like. Now I'm going to spoon over some melted butter. And this is kind of optional depending on how diet conscious you are. And I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius oven for about 30 minutes depending on the size of the chops. After about 30 minutes, there you have it guys, our baked Parmesan crusted pork chops. Absolutely delicious. And this smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and plate these bad boys up. Oh, you wouldn't believe the smell of this. I wish I had smell-o-vision. The pork is so tender. I love the coating. Simply divine. You gotta try this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes. And thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.